Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about Oracle ending support for Java 8 in January 2019. As per their website, they will not be providing any public updates for commercial users in January 2019. So you don't have to worry, you have other options for JDK available in the market which are still supported by some pretty big brands. So one of them is Adopt Open JDK. This JDK is supported by IBM as well as Microsoft and as well as Azure Systems. They're pretty big players in the JDK space. And also we have the Red Hat option, which is supported by Red Hat, and they will continue to support and provide public updates for this beyond January 2019. And you also have Amazon Corretto JDK, which is of course by Amazon. So all these three JDKs will still be supported even after January 2019, and they are pretty good options. All of them are equally good and highly recommended if you want to move away from Oracle JDK 8, which is no longer supported.